Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the video length and audio length in VN Video Editor, step by step. First of all, you need to open the VN application, and then go to New Project and add a video there. Now, as you can see, a video has appeared here. If you want to attach music to it, just click on Tap to add music, and from there you can add your music. So, if you don't want to add music from there, let me show you another way. You'll click on this layer. From here, you'll go and find an option called Extract Audio. You need to click on that. As soon as you click, you'll see that the music or audio has been separated here, and the video is now over here. Now, for example, you started speaking from here, right? So what you need to do is click here, and then you'll see the split option here. You need to click on it. See, the music has now been split from here. Now, you need to click on the voice option here, and you'll see the trim option, click on it. As soon as you click, you can trim from here, and above you have the split option. Then you need to delete it from here, and for the option below, split it here and delete that as well. This is how you adjust it from here. If there's a part in the middle where you're not speaking, you can adjust it the same way. And if you want to make adjustments at the end, you can do that too. So, this is how you can adjust the length of the video and the audio. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.